What's up, guys? Rob, all things wood, heat, and maple. It's March 6th, our first boil. I've got about 35 gallons in that bucket. It's been there for 8 days after being in the buckets, then in there. You saw my video, how to keep your sap cool. I checked this sap this morning. It looks good, so I'm gonna do a quick boil, 35 gallons, get that out of the way, and then I've got another barrel right here. I've got a total of 110 gallons. I'm going to do that other barrel, this number 2, later. But I wanted to mention something. If you're a backyard sugar maker, you've got to be as efficient as you can. Now, you might run a barrel evaporator. You might run cinder blocks. But here's something you need to consider. Underneath your pan, make sure you get some gasket. Either flat stove gasket like this. They sell thicker, which next time around I'll probably buy. And you want to make sure you line the area in between your evaporator and your evaporator pan. That's going to close that gap, especially when things heat up. Everything's going to expand. It's going to give you a nice seal. It's going to get all that heat up into the pan and give you the best boil that you can possibly manage. If you're curious if it's a good investment, this is our 6th year boiling. I've been using the same gasket you see right here. I've got a couple of other pieces floating around. This year, just to make it a little bit neater, I'm going to go back to the roll I bought 6 years ago, and I'm going to redo it using this. It's about a 1/2 inch by 1/8 of an inch. And we'll be laying our pan on top of that and then hitting it with our sap. And as we boil, if you see a little daylight or you see the fire in between, sometimes things shift around a little bit. You can take a screwdriver and just wedge it in there. Again, I'm using 1/2 inch versus some of this thicker stuff. I'd go thicker. It's a good investment. But that's a great way to get a good, efficient boil and not spend too much time around the evaporator. We do not use RO, reverse osmosis, taking the sugar out of the sap. We go old school. That's the way we like it. But hopefully this helps you guys. Like, share, and subscribe. Give me a comment. Let me know if you're using stove gasket or if you use something else. We'll see you on the next one. Thanks.